Begin by finding a comfortable position lying down, either on your back or on your side, but finding a place where you can fully relax your body yet maintain some awareness with your mind. And as you begin to settle into this position, just gently begin to let go of anything else not relevant to this practice of relaxation. So letting go of the mind, letting go of any thoughts that aren't serving you right now. Just starting to focus more on your body and on your breath. Begin to become aware of any sounds that you hear in this space. And not necessarily labeling these sounds, but just hearing them. And just moving from sound to sound as you hear it, as it comes to your mind or comes to your awareness. And start to take your hearing beyond this space, listening out for the farthest sounds that you can hear. Now begin to bring your awareness back into the sounds only of this space, allowing everything else to simply fade into the background. Just like these thoughts that aren't relevant to what you're doing now, gently let go of all of the sounds that may distract you. Just be present. Start to be present in this space by visualizing with eyes closed the four walls of this space. The floor, the ceiling of this space. And also visualizing with your eyes closed your body lying here now. The position of your body and what that would look like. Also becoming aware of the clothes that you're wearing. What do they look like? How do they feel? What can you sense from memory with the eyes closed? And begin to move beyond your clothes and just feel your skin on your body. Feel your hair. Just feel your body lying here now. Start to become more aware of your breath. Just begin to feel how your breath moves in and out of your body in this natural rhythm. There's no effort required, no thinking involved. It just comes. Breath moves in and it moves out. Just continue tuning into that feeling of breathing and notice more details of your breath, the temperature of your breath, even the temperature difference between your inhales and your exhales. Feel the length of your breath, the deepness it travels into your body and back out again. And begin to feel your breath moving up both of your nostrils and down past your sinuses, down the back of your throat, into your lungs. And then back out of your lungs, back up through the back of your throat, past your sinuses, and down through both nostrils. Observing this path of each inhale and each exhale. Allow your natural breath to become longer and slower. Take a slow, deep breath in, and an even slower, deeper breath out. The practice of Yoga Nidra begins now. Silently say to yourself, I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I am awake and relaxed. We will now begin a journey of awareness through the body. Move your awareness to each place on your body as I name it. Silently say the name of that body part to yourself and relax that place more without actually moving it. And just continue on to the next place on your body whenever I name it. If at any time you feel yourself drifting off and a feeling of like falling asleep, you can always come back by finding the sound of my voice. We'll start by bringing more awareness to the right side of your body. Become aware of your right hand, right thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, the palm of your right hand, back of your right hand, your right wrist, right forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, underarm, waist, hip, your right thigh, knee, calf, ankle, your right heel, sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, your right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Now move your awareness to the left side of your body, beginning with your left hand, your left thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and fifth finger. The palm of your left hand, back of your left hand, your left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, your left underarm, waist, your left hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, your left heel, sole of your left foot, top of your left foot, your left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Now relax the back side of your body, beginning with your right heel, left heel, right calf, left calf, right thigh, left thigh, right glute, left glute, your low back, mid back, upper back, your entire spine, your right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the back of your neck, the back of your head, and the top of your head. Now move through the front side of your body, beginning with the top of your head, your forehead, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the middle of your eyes, your right eye, left eye, right nostril, left nostril, right cheek, left cheek, your upper lip, lower lip, both lips together, your chin, jaw, throat, your right collarbone, left collarbone, the right side of your chest, left side of your chest, your upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, your right groin, left groin, and your pelvic floor. Begin to relax your whole body. Relax your whole right leg, your whole left leg, your whole right arm, your whole left arm, your face, your head, your torso, your whole body, your whole body, your whole body. Imagine your whole body becoming lighter, as if your body could float away from the floor to the ceiling, as if your body could float beyond the space that you're in now. Feel your head becoming light and weightless, your arms becoming light and weightless, your legs becoming light and weightless, your torso becoming light and weightless, your whole body becoming light and weightless. You are rising higher and higher and higher away from the floor. Now imagine your body becoming heavier, slowly returning back down to the earth. Begin to feel heaviness in all parts of your body, bringing you back down. Your head is heavy. Your arms are heavy. Your legs are heavy. Your torso is heavy. Your whole body is heavy. You are sinking down and down and down into the floor and beyond. Now a number of different things will be named. As each of these things is named, simply envision this thing from memory. Just recalling as much detail as you can to each thing and then moving on to the next as it is named. Again, if you feel yourself drifting off, you can always come back to the sound of my voice. Begin by envisioning a red desert. And then a peacock feather. A person meditating. A doctor's office. A good night's rest. A full moon. Your reflection in a mirror. A foggy morning. Waiting for results. the sun shining overhead, a bouquet of flowers, a tall tree, receiving help from others, cool, clear water, making appointments, a relaxing afternoon, laughing with friends, a warm hug, a burning candle, the top of a mountain, a path in the woods, a beautiful sunset, taking a deep breath, a cat stretching, a beautiful garden, a bell ringing, the sound of my voice, and your body lying on the floor. The sound of my voice and your body lying on the floor. The sound of my voice and your body lying on the floor. Come back to the feeling of your breath flowing in and flowing out of your nostrils. Notice the path of the breath through the nostrils, past the sinuses, into the lungs and back out again. Become aware of the length of each inhale and the length of each exhale. And stay aware of your breath as you develop more awareness of your physical body. Feel your body relaxed and lying on the floor. Feel your clothes, your skin, your hair. Even feel the floor beneath you. Notice the heaviness of your body as it rests on the floor. With eyes closed, become aware of the position that your body is in right now. Begin to bring more awareness to all parts of your body touching the ground. Feel heaviness in the backs of your heels, through your thighs, your glutes, up your spine, into your shoulder blades, down your arms, your hands, into your head. Feel the heaviness of every part of your body that's touching the ground. With eyes remaining closed, just begin to visualize the space that you're in right now. Recall from memory all of the objects in this space, what the four walls look like, the floor, the ceiling, and also becoming more aware of the sounds that you hear in this space. Just moving from sound to sound without labeling it, including hearing the sound of my voice. Listen and become more aware of the sound of my voice. Listen and become more aware of the sound of my voice. Just continue lying here quietly until you feel ready to move, gently coming back. Give yourself time to acclimate back to this space, to this present moment, into your body and into each breath. Whenever you feel ready to move, gently roll over to the side of your choice and press up, finding a comfortable seat. Settling into your Sukhasana or comfortable seated pose with your hands at your heart and your eyes closed. Continuing to breathe into your body, continuing to cultivate this stillness, these feelings of deep relaxation, the feeling of having let go. And gently lift your heart to your head, bow your head to your heart, show gratitude for this time of self-care. For this time to just breathe and let go. Namaste.